Hi Weber fans, so today we're going to be cooking up a T-bone steak and making our own red wine shallot butter. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Now don't forget, everything is shown in the video today. There will be links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, and the recipe will be down there as well, so make sure you check those out. Right, so as I said at the beginning of the video, what we're going to be doing is a T-bone steak, and there's no better way to get more flavour in that by making your own flavoured butter. So today we're going to be making a red wine shallot butter. I'm going to be mixing it up a bit. I'm going to be putting a little bit of garlic in there as well. Now you can make this butter the day before. It's probably easier because you can refrigerate it and get it back, so you can just slice it and get it on that steak. So what we'll do is jump straight into it. Right, so before we start our butter, first thing you're gonna have to do is chop up the garlic and chop up your shallot. I've already pre-done that. So what we're gonna do as well now is we're gonna fry it off, and we're gonna fry it off in the wine. So first you're gonna need a frying pan. I'm gonna be using the Q1200 pan for this. I'm gonna be doing it inside again because it's really windy outside today. If you join the channel and you join the recipes and you're getting value content, then make sure you slap that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. So what we'll do is jump straight into it. Right, so now we've fried off our shallots and our garlic, we're going to transfer that to a bowl and allow that to cool down, and then we'll start transferring the rest of the ingredients. Now our butter's nicely wrapped, we've got it into a log formation. We're going to just twist those ends like a sweet, actually squeeze the end to get that nice and compact. And then we're going to stick that in the fridge for at least an hour, or you can do this the night before, so you've got something to go with that steak. Right, so our butter's been in for about an hour now, so it's pretty solid. So what we're going to do now is get that barbecue lit and then start preparing our steak. Right, so our Q's preheated now for about 10 minutes. Now I find the best thing to do with your steaks is get them out for at least 30 minutes before you're going to whack them on that grill. So this steak's been out for around 30 minutes now. What we're going to do is start preparing it, ready to go on that grill. And I'm going to do it to medium rare, so it's going to be roughly around 8 to 10 minutes in total. So we'll do it 4 minutes aside, and then we'll come back in and give it a taste. So with your steaks, you do want to let them relax for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now I temp mine in tin foil obviously to keep that heat in. Think about it, for a steak, if you're going on a hot grill, you're going to tense up and then you want it to release and just tenderise as it relaxes. But while that's resting now, we're going to jump in and start cutting the butter and preparing it ready to go on our steak when it's plated up. Right, so we're just going to cut the end of our butter off, like so, and then cut however many slices you want. So for this steak I'll have 2 slices. And we'll cover the end back up with some paper and put that back in the fridge. Right, so our steak's rested for 5 minutes. As you can see, it's relaxed, all those juices have released. So I'll get this plated up and get the butter on and give it a taste test. Butter's all melted over, as you can see, so we'll take a little bit of that butter anyway and put that over this end, and we'll just cut this end off here and give it a bit of a taste test. Well, so the steak was perfectly cooked, and the flavours in that butter just complement that steak perfectly. And don't forget, everything I use in the video today, there are links in the description below and the recipe will be down there as well. So I hope you enjoyed that video and I hope you found it really informative, and it's just a quick recipe and that butter is amazing. You can put anything in there you wanted. You could put some paprika in there, you could put some rub in there, it's entirely up to you what you put in there. But purely off the ingredients alone, it was amazing, and it just put some brilliant flavours into that steak, and it tasted absolutely superb. So again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut some any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. And making our own red wine. Right, so I said again with that. Don't forget everything I used in the video today. Don't forget that. Right, now don't forget everything I showed in the video today. Don't forget perfectly. Right, so that's tasted it. Right, so the steak tasted superb. It was perfectly cooked, and the balance of flavours in that